Well, here I am taking a little break from work and still drilling off this guy a bit. Looks pretty bad, I know, because I don't have a lathe. And I'm holding this thing with a pair of vice grips, and the drill bit I have is a 29 millimeter drill bit. And this hole was probably like 28 millimeters, 27.5 millimeter in diameter. So this is really a mess, but I'm getting there. It's like I don't have to drill the whole thing out, just maybe a centimeter more or less, and I'll have it done good enough for the power plug to go in there. This has really been hacking up. I don't like hacking like this, but I don't have a machine shop and I don't have a lathe. So anyway, I found that if I run this drill backwards, it actually drills through here and doesn't bite as much. So I've been running the drill backwards and it sort of works and hacks its way down through here. So let's give that a whirl. I'm catching all the bits of metal in the wastebasket here. Anyway, so I'm about to here now. And there, I'm running it backwards. I ran the battery and the drill down, so let's do it again here. It's a pretty damn good drill, Makita. I bought this like 3 or 4 years ago when I was in Massachusetts and Rhode Island. This thing really works good. I used this thing to fix my truck. All right, let's do it. I'm gonna go to high speed and just trying to ram this thing through here. You can see the bits kind of coming off it. So it's sort of working here. And what I found is when the battery of the drill is really charged up and I got high RPMs, even though I'm running backwards, it's going down through. So that might be enough. Let's go check. Let's see what's going on over here with the radio now. I want this thing to fit into here and not any further. So let's see how that works now. It fits into there and stops. So I got to go another 0.5 centimeter down and through there. So that's how it is. Let's keep at it. No machine shop, you suffer. And this bit was like 20 bucks. This thing was like, for 2 of these was like 20 bucks too. So this project, just to make this little holder, has like been crazy expensive. And then I gotta buy some taps to put some screw holes in here. Crazy. Wow, so it's really punching through here now. The deeper I get, it doesn't catch on things anymore. I guess it becomes self-aligning and the bit doesn't catch on here. Now, mind you, I am drilling in the backwards mode here. I wonder if I could go frontwards now. I don't want to dig through all the way because I want this to actually stop the power plug. So let's see if that's enough. All right. It may be. I think I forgot there's a screw on the other side. Yeah, so I think I'm done here. Let's look at this. Yeah, I think that's all set now. That's enough. So that does that. So the drilling part's done finally, thank goodness. So I have a little piece of paper here that I've been playing with. It is a trace of the, I had a piece of paper here. It's a trace of what the base of this must look like. So now I gotta do a few things. If I can get this piece out of the pliers here. I want to find this little piece of paper I had. So I took the old mount here and I put it back together, all the pieces back together, and I traced around it. And I have a little cutout piece of white paper I've been using to put on the bottom of this thing, and then I want to shave off the bottom. So you can see this is not a very exact science what I'm doing here. And I'm not even finding my piece of paper anywhere, so that's not going so well. At all. Don't see it anywhere. Anyway, that's what I'm up to. I probably got to now tap a couple of holes in the bottom of these things. And I want to shave off the corners here so it fits into the radio. These are the original screws that held this one down. And you can see where it was being held down, I think. Yeah. So I want to use the original screws if I can. So I got to look these up in the manual and see what pitch they were and what size. And then I want to buy a tap. And then I'm going to tap 3 holes in here. And hopefully this thing will hold. So there's still some work to be done. But I guess the major work of hacking this thing apart with a drill bit's been done now. I don't like how it looks, but what are you gonna do? No machine shop here. And yeah, you can see where it's gonna kind of stop down there now. So that will be good. I might have, darn it, gone too far. That's what you get when you don't pay attention. How far did I go here? Let's see. No, it looks good. That's fine. I think it's a little too far. Too ambitious. But that's how it is. I wanted to rest against the back of that for strain relief, and I think that'll still work. I also plan to use these little screws here as keepers. So I already have a hole in the side for one screw there. And I'll drill one on this side and then use those to keep this thing from turning back and forth. And now I gotta get this thing filed down with a grinder so that it will fit around this hole here, and then I think I'm done. So it's not gonna look like the original on the radio, but too bad I don't have the original. And I think if somebody had one, they'd probably charge me $100 for it on eBay, because that's how they are on eBay. So yeah, so that goes in there. It's actually gonna go like this, and that would go on like that, like this. I gotta get the screws out of there. And then it's gonna have a gap up here, on top here. I gotta put something in to protect those wires and put like a rubber gasket back here or stopper or something. And that's gonna be it. It's not gonna look great. It won't match the radio, but it'll be functional. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.